Hello everyone and welcome to this first devlog about the Portals of Astreterre project. I'm OraNN, Minecraft player since 2013 and I started learning coding a few months ago. Even if I have some experience with mods creation for certain games, Astreterre is by far my most ambitious project. I am helped by many people from the community that I created with this project and by Mimish, who fully participates in the game creation. I will come back to our task management later. The Portals of Astreterre will be a top-view 2D tactical role-playing game set in a world inspired by the Minecraft universe. The player will explore the worlds of Astreterre, meet characters, complete quests, form a team to uncover some mysteries and stop the threat on the portals. The fights will be based on a turn-by-turn system and exploration will be in real time. There will be different maps, towns, cities, fortresses, caves. The player will chat with characters, collect items, equipments, and increase the levels of his team with many skills such as crafting, redstone, alchemy. The Minecraft universe will be recognizable through its graphics, mobs, items, and some gameplay mechanics. The game will be influenced by all the different titles in the franchise: Minecraft Java or Bedrock editions, Minecraft Dungeons, or Minecraft Earth. This will not prevent it from having its own identities, its own story, and above all, a very different gameplay. The other sources are many and diverse, such as classic or tactical RPG from fantasy license, Baldur's Gate, The Elder Scrolls, or sci-fi like XCOM, Wasteland, etc. The very long history of the Portals of Astreterre unfolds in a vast territory. Many countries share different territories and many of them, called the Marches, are small lordships. The best known kingdom is the merchant kingdom of Ormetor, ruled by a king for several decades. The Karaka Empire is ruled by Emperor Zortar. He reigns with absolute power over his lands and he does not share it with anyone. The core supremacy is a theocracy led by the first Cardinal Orlik. The supremacy attempts to impose the cult of Kor, the dragon of all ends. Many wars are going on or emerging. One of the first consequences of the tensions is the struggle for the control of the portals. The different lands are very far from each other. However, there are portals that allow people to instantly travel from one city to another. These portals exist for the eternity. No one knows their origin. Their access is more or less under control, according to who rules them or according to their destinations. I will detail this universe and its challenges in the next devlog. To create this story, I'm using many softwares. Firstly, I use an open and free game engine with its editor, Godot. It uses GDScript, a code programming language close to Python. This game engine is really accessible and it allows to do a lot of things easily when you begin to code like me. Another unmissable software is a Graphicism one. I use many of them in terms of my needs. I've got an old version of Photoshop and I'm using Photopea too. It's an online app. Finally, I'm trying to discover a sprite and its free equivalent LibreSprite. They are both softwares for textures creation in pixel art. To test some of these textures, I use Tiled, which allows to create some 2D maps with a system of tiles. It's that system of tiles I will use later in the game engine. To create the assets of the game, that means the textures of the blocks and the objects, I use in a main way the objects of the Minecraft Java Edition game with the Sama Faithful texture pack. I import them in the Blockbench software. It's a 3D editor specialized for Minecraft, and so I can modify the 3D models to adapt them and transform them into 2D sprites. I'm using a lot of other applications too, such as spreadsheets or various word processors. The project is saved regularly on GitLab, which allows to follow the modifications that Mimish or I we do on our way. We create autonomous forks and then we fusion them thanks to GitLab. For now, the game is just in its beginning. Many elements are just started and a lot of them need improvement. I started to create a bunch of textures in tilesets. There are textures for various types of terrain, walls, fences, plants. I'm completed these tilesets step by step when I need them. I already have enough materials to work on some exterior or interior map. Currently, I'm dealing with the animation part of the characters. I did some tests for the player's movements and for the zombie creatures. For the moment, even if we can test some equipments on the player, nothing is definitive. Although I work on interface as the main menu of the game or the pause menu. Mimish works on his side on the inventory system, its own interface, and on defining the characteristics of objects. He starts working on generating loot tables in chests, for example. For the developments to come, there is so much to do that the list seems endless. In the coming weeks, the priority will be the combat interface and the turn-based system. I will continue to manage the grid, action points, and simple AI for the mobs. Next devlogs will probably show you the progress on the turn-by-turn system. For his part, Mimish will continue to improve the inventory. We will have to think about the dialogue systems of the game, the quest log, the progression system for the characters, the saving process, etc. In short, we will have a lot of things to share with you. The Portals of Astreterre is above all a project from video game passionate who wants to create a game and discover all aspects of the creation process. Moreover, it's a Minecraft fan game for fans of Minecraft. Even if the game won't be commercialized, it will be shared as soon as possible when it will be playable a little. We want to provide a French version and an English version of the game. Thanks for watching this first devlog despite my accent. I hope you like it. Feel free to comment the video and add suggestions for the game. You can subscribe so you don't miss the next devlog. I stream once a week on Twitch to work on this project with the community, and I upload it to YouTube. You can also follow me on Twitch. Thank you very much to those who helped me with this project. See you soon. Bye bye.